What's going on, YouTube? Who it is? It's your boy Shrek, and we're back with another video. What are we getting ourselves into? We ended up getting an Airbnb for birthday weekend and Father's Day. So we're gonna be out here in Indio, California celebrating. We just got here. We are going to start unpacking, and let me show you guys the house a little. Living room, we got a bedroom. Everybody got a bedroom this time. We got Tavi here. This is gonna be our room.
And this is Mark and me.
And we got our little dining area. Got the kitchen. Pretty big house. Got grandma over there.
You're gonna see.
Walking up the stairs. Tavi's gonna give us a tour up here. Give us a tour of your room. We got a little loft over here. This is pretty cool. A loft with the TV. We got a master over here. Of course, Teddy's here with us.
What up?
They got the master. Check this out. I don't want no funny business in the tub.
And me and Kiki.
And then
Room.
Kiki's and Teddy's room.
No, this is all.
Oh, Kiki's and Tavi's room.
Ta-da! 2 bunk beds, 1
A
bed.
bunk bed, and Kiki will be sleeping here. That's perfect for the kids. This is the house, guys. We have a room for
It's beautiful.
Grandpa Bill over there as well. Believe Richard and Vanessa swapped rooms. Órale, gordito. Sheesh. Mexico won yesterday. Grandpa Bill, you guys saw him on the last video. Go, papas. The what?
ShreqBoi's video.
Uh-huh.
You're gonna see that in one of the videos that said Daddy in the show.
Okay.
In Mexico.
Yup. Now we're gonna show you guys the backyard. It's a pretty badass backyard. You were gonna come back here, Pa?
No, I just want to
Oh.
Those are water.
I don't want to feel it right now. Really nice backyard. We were in between. We have a little barbecue area over here. A fireplace or fire pit, whatever you want to call it for the night. Got a nice big pool. Has a slide with water on it. Yeah, ping pong tables. It has a small game room as well. So we're actually very glad we ended up going with this house because we were stuck between like 2 or 3 houses that we're gonna get. One of them we had already gotten it. We did another little mini vacation 2 years ago. So this is the thing we've been doing lately. Every summer we go out on a little getaway. My birthday's in June. My future wife's birthday is in June. My sister-in-law's birthday is in June. Then in July is my brother's. And then in August is Tavi's birthday, my sister's birthday, and my dad's birthday. So summer we try to plan something because it's around everyone's birthday. In the summer we come and get away from our normal life and do a little getaway. But that's what I wanted to show you guys for right now. We are gonna of course hit up some casinos, celebrate a little bit. I'll continue recording, maybe some pool time. I'll record and show you guys some more, but for now we're gonna unpack, settle in, and then we'll probably start jumping in the pool or probably eat. We haven't ate yet, so, and it's already like 3 o'clock, so we haven't ate. We're gonna eat, but we'll be right back with you guys in a bit. We're gonna show them the game room now. Oh, we have a little laundry, another bathroom, and there's a little game room right here. It's pretty neat. Got a little Lego table. Where's the camera? Where's the camera? We got a little Lego table. Kobe, R.I.P. Kobe. Stephen Curry, little Warriors fans. Should we check what's back here? Oh, is the garage door? Okay, okay. We like the vibe. Jordan. But you know we had to have Jordan out here. Well, they did. It's pretty neat. Got a little poker table, little arcade. This is neat. Another arcade, a little Pac-Man, and then some basketball. We got a TV. So this is pretty cool. Pretty chill. Legit. Pretty cool. So we'll show you guys some more as we start doing stuff. For right now, we have to unpack and yeah. Go, Yanni, go! Go, Yanni, go! Down, back up! Break it! Gotta get stuck! flip, Lucas. Do a flip, front flip, front flip. Front flip, front flip. Pensé que este cabrón se iba a avanzar para atrás.
Okay.
Bright and early today. It's my birthday. And you know, I just started with some coffee. Everybody's still asleep. It's like 5:30. We're gonna have some coffee right now and then see what I show you guys. I'm actually gonna start editing the video too, so see what I show you guys today. By the way, last night was very successful. We got back like around 9 and I went to bed early. I don't go to bed late. Even when I'm on vacation, I tend to go to sleep by like 9 or 10. Even out in the dunes, actually. When we're out riding and everything, I tend to go to sleep like around 9 or 10. So anyways, at the casino, successful. We were up like $400, not too bad. But we're gonna hit up 2 casinos today and then we'll see what we get into. I'll show you guys that later today. Is that mine?
Yeah.
Oh.
Your place over there.
All right.
Richard!
And we are back. Everybody is now awake. Got the breakfast going. Mama and Getty made some potatoes, some, what is that? Sausage, some eggs. Got breakfast going. Getty brought us some bread and some butter. How's the food, Bill? Good?
Good stuff.
Teddy? What the fuck? What you got going on over there? Grease? That shit look greasy.
I forgot my ketchup.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is going home day. We are all packed up, getting ready to head home, having breakfast. Wifey over there, Pops. Of course, we had to watch the soccer game. Got everyone having breakfast. Jenny working.
Like always.
That don't work. Got a little drinky drink. Getting ready to close it up and head home. Last night I didn't post anything about the casino because it wasn't that great. The machines or slots, I usually like hitting the tables, but the tables weren't even good yesterday. The slots weren't loose, but we did end up coming back with like $300 last night. All in all, we were up $800 for the week or the weekend. Not that bad. So some of us lost more. Grandpa Bill lost way more, but nonetheless, we had fun. We spent some time together. We enjoyed our time together. It is Father's Day today, so we will probably wrap this video up at my parents' house. We probably go over there and have a little carnita asada and wrap up our weekend over there. But all in all, it was a successful little getaway trip. We had fun. We enjoyed ourselves, company with each other. As you guys saw, we did enjoy time in the pool. Yesterday, I didn't record anything in the pool because we were just having fun. Hopefully, this vlog makes sense and I'm able to put things together. And yeah, chop it up and break it down on the next clip. And hopefully, I start uploading the family vlogs because we do try to do this once a year in the summer, like I said before. And we try to do it, or we've done this already like 3 or 4 years in a row. So family keeps growing. Yeah, follow me on Instagram because I update that one a little bit more. I did a couple posts on there and it'll relate to the video that's coming up next. But catch you on the next clip. You already know we had to come back and grill. Only the best, Carnes and Mariscos Luis. Lining up the grill, getting it going, ending off the weekend right.